LG, gusto ko mag-purchase ng diamond. Should I go for higher quality or clean diamond to make my diamond look better? The answer is no. Take note that the color and clarity has no impact in diamond sparkle. Dito na pumapasok ang importance ng cut in influencing the diamond sparkle. Dahil kahit gaano ka-white at ka-clean ng isang diamond, kailangan pa rin isaalang-alang ang cut nito the way it interacts with light. Kapag poor ang cut ng isang diamond, tumatagos lang ang light nito at nagkakameron ng leakage. Unlike an excellent cut na tumatalbog ang light at sparkle. Dahil kahit gaano man ka-yellow ang isang diamond, pero nagtataglay ito ng excellent cut, matatawag natin siya mas magandang klase than a whiter diamond with a poor cut. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na ang color at clarity ay irrelevant. They affect other aspect of diamond's visual appear. Pero tandaan, when prioritizing diamond sparkle, the cut is the key factor to consider. Once again, this is LG. Let's love and gleam. Let's